Number 1. 1961 Ford F100 stepside short bed, $5,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1961 Ford F100 is a true vintage survivor with excellent patina and a highly desirable short bed stepside configuration. Powered by a big block Ford FE Series V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck represents the rugged utility and timeless style that made early 1960s Ford pickups legendary. The clean body, solid glass, and minimal rust are major highlights for collectors. Parked since 1978, it offers outstanding restoration or patina cruiser potential with authentic old-school character. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet 4x4 454 square body, $3,000. Tahuya, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet square body 4x4 is a rough but promising project truck, equipped with a big block 454 V8 and automatic transmission. Square body Chevrolets continue to rise in popularity thanks to their aggressive styling and durable drivetrains. Although this example has significant rust and requires extensive restoration, the running gear reportedly functions properly, making it a valuable foundation for an off-road or classic truck build. A solid candidate for enthusiasts who appreciate late 1970s Chevrolet trucks. Number 3. 1974 International 3/4 ton 4x4 truck and $1,800. Winfield, Kansas. This 1974 International Harvester 3/4 ton 4x4 is a rare heavy-duty classic pickup with serious vintage utility appeal. International trucks are known for their industrial strength construction and rugged drivetrains. While this truck has been sitting for several years and currently does not run, it reportedly operated when parked. With its manual transmission and factory 4-wheel drive system, it could become an excellent restoration project for collectors seeking something less common than traditional Ford or Chevrolet trucks. Number 4. 1986 Nissan 720 4x4 King Cab Pickup, $1,800, Eldridge, Iowa. The Nissan 720 series has become increasingly collectible thanks to its durability and compact vintage truck styling. This 1986 King Cab 4x4 includes a 5-speed manual transmission, Weber carburetor upgrade, newer brakes, fuel system components, and nearly new tires. Although the engine likely needs rebuilding due to blow-by issues, the solid frame and functioning 4-wheel drive system are strong positives. Compact Japanese trucks from the 1980s remain highly respected for reliability and off-road capability. Number 5. 1986 GMC K3500 on propane, $1,150, Delta, British Columbia. This GMC K3500 is an affordable heavy-duty project truck featuring a rare propane fuel setup and a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with a V8 engine and several recently replaced components, it still runs despite frame corrosion and suspension wobble issues. The K3500 platform is well known for its towing strength and work truck durability. While this example requires structural repairs, it could serve as a useful donor truck or restoration candidate for square-body GMC enthusiasts. Number 6. 1985 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, $3,500, Los Angeles, California. The Mitsubishi Mighty Max has earned a loyal following for its compact size, simple mechanics, and dependable performance. This 1985 example is a well-maintained daily driver with a 5-speed manual transmission. Working air conditioning, upgraded stereo system, and custom wooden rack setup. Its sporty exhaust and lightweight design make it surprisingly fun to drive. Compact imports from the 1980s are becoming increasingly desirable among vintage mini truck enthusiasts. Number 7. 1986 Ford Ranger, $7,000, Mill Valley, California. This first-generation Ford Ranger appears to be a remarkably original survivor with under 69,000 original miles. Powered by the dependable 2.3-liter inline-4 engine and backed by a 5-speed manual transmission, it represents the simplicity and durability that made early Rangers so successful. The original paint, documented maintenance, and long registration period add to its appeal. Compact American pickups from the mid-1980s are steadily gaining collector attention due to their practicality and nostalgic charm. Number 8. 1947 Ford F3, $15,000, Bayside, California. This customized 1947 Ford F3 one-ton truck blends classic styling with practical modern upgrades. It features a rebuilt 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine, overdrive transmission, 12-volt electrical conversion, electric wipers, upgraded brakes, bucket seats, and a relocated fuel cell. The bodywork was completed entirely in metal, avoiding filler-heavy restoration shortcuts. Early post-war Ford trucks are highly respected for their bold styling and durability, and this example offers a tasteful mix of originality and drivability. Number 9. 1981 Toyota pickup 4x4, $8,000, Amado, Arizona. This 1981 Toyota 4x4 short bed pickup is powered by the legendary 22R engine and equipped with a manual transmission and power steering. Early Toyota pickups are among the most respected compact trucks ever built, known worldwide for exceptional reliability and off-road durability. The working four-wheel drive system and classic short bed design make this truck especially desirable among collectors and off-road enthusiasts seeking a simple, dependable vintage pickup. Number 10. 1986 GMC Sierra Crew Cab, $6,500. El Paso, Texas. This 1986 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab long bed is a solid square body project featuring a strong 350 V8 engine and freshly rebuilt turbo 350 transmission. The interior has already received major upgrades, including reupholstered seats, new carpet, restored dash components, and updated weather seals. Crew Cab square body trucks continue to grow in value because of their rarity and practicality. While exterior bodywork and paint are still needed, this truck has excellent potential as a comfortable classic cruiser. Number 11. 1985 GMC Sierra K10 Short Box Project, $6,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1985 GMC Sierra K10 Short Box four-wheel drive project offers one of the most sought-after square body configurations on the market today. The truck now carries an engine from a 1989 Suburban, along with a recently rebuilt transmission. Shortbox K10 models are extremely popular thanks to their aggressive stance, off-road capability, and customization potential. Although not yet roadworthy, this truck provides an excellent starting point for a serious restoration or lifted street truck build.